Tutorial. We are going to show you how to recover deleted TikTok videos. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you.
कुछ दिन इसे पी लो हफ्ते में 5
You have to click on the profile. This type of screen will appear in front of you. The videos which you saved in your gallery will see here, and if you don't find any video, then search from your gallery. If your gallery is empty, then click on likes this icon. Your all videos will be saved here. That's all how you recover your deleted videos from TikTok. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.